today we are going to remove the rear axle from where it's mounted on the chassis on the car, and we're going to, I don't know, I don't feel too comfortable welding these brackets onto the axle, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, we're gonna take down the axle. We're gonna do some final measurements on where the spring perch pads are gonna go. Make some final measurements on the actual brackets themselves, just make sure everything's good. It's been sitting like this for the last week. Still haven't been able to get some wheels and tires to kind of mock fit what it's gonna look like, but it's been hanging on its own weight for the last week, and I think everything is all right. Everything's decent. I did have an issue with the panhard bar. I don't know if you can see from here, but the panhard bar is definitely touching the axle housing, so I gotta figure out what to do here, whether it's moving the axle slightly forward, or I'm not too sure yet, or adding like another extension on the bolt here. Not too sure yet, but we will see. All this is tack welded, as you can see, so we might not weld this all together today. I gotta get it prepped and ready, because tomorrow I'm sending it to my friend who is gonna sandblast it. I took off the diff, so no need to worry about that. I am gonna do buy a rebuild kit, switch all the bearings, all the seals and everything, the works. So yeah, let's get started before the day gets darker. Okay, I got the axle out. Everything looks good. Everything's still pretty strong, pretty good. So I'm gonna measure these perches. Actually, before I do that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna measure this stuff first, make sure that is good, and then triple check my measurements over here. If I feel confident about all this, then I'll go ahead and weld the brackets together into the axle. So one thing I forgot to do when I had the axle all bolted up is someone told me that to make sure that everything is decent, is okay, is to bolt everything up and then try to move the axle up and down with my arm, with just my hands, and it should be smooth. And if it's not smooth, then the stuff is bolted on incorrectly. So I went ahead and I bolted everything back on the axle. It's already dark, so I didn't record that, but let me try to move the axle up and down, and I'll record that for you guys, and just to see how everything looks. I mean, it's pretty smooth. I'm not sure how much smoother it should be, but everything looks good. Let me do it one more time. I'm actually gonna switch sides just so that I can see this side, how it looks. Okay, let's check this out. All these cables in the back. Let's see how this looks. Okay, yeah, I think we're good, guys. I'm gonna unbolt all that stuff and start welding. parece? ¿Cómo les parece? Alright folks, you saw that. I thought I changed up the video a little bit, because in previous videos I've done nothing but talk, and not show any work at all. So I decided to record myself welding. I added that. This video I am going to cut this video short, just because I'm going to be waiting on parts for a couple of weeks. Let me show you guys what the axle looks like right now. Alright, I've got the axle all welded, sandblasted. It's looking a little bit dirty right now, but that's because I was working on cleaning off, taking off the pinion and the ring and the diff and all that stuff. So it's a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna give it a good wash. I still need to remove all the media from the media blasting. It's pretty dirty, so I got to give it a good wash. I don't know if you can see right there, but the pinion is definitely bad. It shows high wear, not high wear. It shows that it has a lot of mileage. So there's a couple other spots on the pinion that are kind of bad. There's another spot. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know, maybe not, but yeah, there's like a couple spots on the pinion that are bad, so I ended up just ordering a whole new kit from Ford. Well, I got it from Summit Racing, but whole new pinion and ring, and I think I'm gonna change the clutch packs on this as well. We'll see. I might check them out first just to see how they look, and if they're decent, maybe I'll run them. But it would be a good idea to just change the clutch packs too. Speaking of, I did get my, let's see if I can focus on this using my camera manual focus. I did get my Motif Gear axle rebuild kit. As you guys can see, if you follow me on Instagram, I got that this week. So now just waiting on like I said, the pinion and ring. And I'll get that all sorted, installed, and next video I'll also show me cleaning up the axle and painting it, and yeah, I think that'd be. But that is a wrap for this video. Thank you all. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the likes, the comments. My dog is already telling me he needs to do, so thank you all. Peace. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, then happy holidays to you and your fam. Peace out.